Hi and welcome to Mobile OpenSaveDialog video tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use OpenSaveDialog component in your Windows Mobile project. So let's start by creating a new Windows Mobile project. I'm going to give it a name OpenSaveDialog Demo, and let's target Windows Mobile 6 Professional SDK. Now, if you installed Mobile iPack to your computer, you will be able to see all the components that it contains in Visual Studio's toolbox. So OpenSaveDialog is right here. We tried to design it in such a way so that it would be really easy to use and so that you would be able to substitute the traditional Open Dialog or Save Dialog with Mobile one. So once you double click it, this is where it appears. And I'm going to right click it and choose Properties to display all the properties that it offers. Now the filter property is a very important one that you want to set. It of course specifies what kind of files should be displayed. If you want all files to be displayed, then this is the wildcard mask that you will want to use. You can also decide whether you want user to be able to select only files, only folders, or both files and folders. You can also use one of these two color themes, black or blue. So I'm gonna use black for now. And the way the OpenSaveDialog works is that it displays a user interface in which the user can navigate in a file system of his Windows Mobile device. And once he finds the file or folder he was looking for, he can choose it. To create a sample application for this component, I'm going to put a label on our form which will display the path and the file name of the file that the user chose. The one last thing we're going to need is a button which says load, and when the user clicks it, we're going to display the OpenSaveDialog, prompt the user to choose a file, and then display it in the label. Now the way you display the OpenSaveDialog is that you call its showDialog method. Now as you can see, the showDialog method returns a dialog result, and we want to check on this dialog result because we only want to update our label if the user really selected a file, because he also had the chance to discard the OpenSaveDialog, in which case we will not update our label. So we're going to find out what the dialog result was, and only if it was okay we will update the t-label, the t-label's text property, with the file name, or to be exact, full file name. The file name property returns just the name of the file, and full file name returns the name of the file together with the path. So that's it. Let's try to run the application. Now when the application is loaded, let's click the load button and the OpenSaveDialog appears. As you can see, all the folders and files are displayed in a list which can be finger scrolled using the user's finger, and all the rows are high enough so they can be comfortably tapped with a finger. So there is no need to use a stylus. Let's now examine this file system. I'm going to click Program Files, for example, and I'm going to find some file that we want to choose, this one, and I'm going to click Select. And now the t-label's text property is updated with the full file name that we chose. If you want to choose a folder instead, then we just click the folder, for example this one, Music, and click Select. And then Music folder is selected. Now the last thing I'm going to show you is the other color theme. So I'm going to change the color theme property to blue, and let's run the application now. And when the application is loaded, we click the load button, and this is how OpenSaveDialog looks in its blue coat. Alright, so I guess that's it for OpenSaveDialog. Thank you very much for watching this video.